sumobra kayo. Pati yung EBS, yung pera namin, tinanggap ninyo. Hindi naman pala ninyo ginamit yung... Bakit hindi kita murahin? May mga... Look guys, tayo mga politiko, gano'n na lang kababa ang tingin nila sa atin. Ito lang. Even in the caricatures, you notice how they portray us. Para tayong hampas lupa na nakaw dito, nakaw doon. As if they are also living in a pristine. May mga racket kayo na sabihin niyo, you justify it. DBP went down. Kaya pumasok ang gobyerno dyan because hinaraman ninyo ng pera when it was government's time to be there. At hindi kayo nagbayad. Well, you tell us you paid. No, you did not, of course. What you did was to seek the intervention of the powers and you got a what? Condone. Okay. Huwag tayong magbulahan dito. If you want to, lahat tayo, you expose my wrongs and I will strip you naked in public. Hubaran ko kayo at hubaran ninyo ako. No quarters asked, no quarters given. Ngayon ang gusto ninyo. At hindi rin ako gusto maghingi sa inyo ng pabor. Never had. Remember Gabi Lopez. You went to Davao. You opened the cable kasi meron doong existing cable. And you thought that I was one of the investors. Pumunta ka sa akin, sabi mo, sabi niya meron nga kaming application. Huwag mong bulahin sarili yung marami tayo karap doon. Tapos sabi ko, bakit? Mayor ka investor ka na. Sabi ko, where's your permit? Blank ko yung papel mo, pinirmahan ko, approve ko. Then that night you kept calling me for dinner. Sabi ko, no. Did I ask you for anything? Contribution, something? Pinatawag mo ako doon sa opisina mo before the elections. You asked me, are you running? I said, no. We had lunch together with my aide and never asked anything from me. Kaya yung lahat kayo, nung nanalo ako, wala akong utang na loob sa inyo ni Conte. And even the mga... But for those guys who offered, I accepted. Ay, heartily. Pero sabi mo na papuntahin mo ako doon, pabiyong putang ina, gago ko. Wala ko na. Hindi ang... But otherwise, pero kung magtulong kayo dyan sa federal system campaign at gawin ninyong slogan also for the unity to preserve this republic, magipag-ariglo ako. I will go to you and say, ariglo. Wala akong hingin. Just dedicate a portion of your time, your expensive and precious time, TV. Help us promote federalism, only the good ones. But if you think that it is not into your system, fine. Pero kung suportahan lang ninyo ang kayong mga network, wala kayo. Wala akong hingin, yan lang. And I said, I'm willing to shake hands with you. And you can continue with your criticism about corruption. Pareho tayo ayaw ng corruption and wrongdoing. But kayo, may mali rin kayo, may utang rin kayo sa gobyerno, do your part. And maybe we can talk about it, but most of all, try to be a part of an entity, or hindi kailangan PDP, promote something that will